Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unleashed. Today, we are going to master one of the most important topics for modern professionals: your daily work routine and professional career. Whether you work in an office, remotely from home, run your own business, or are preparing for your future career, this lesson will help you sound more confident, natural, and professional in English. This is a shadowing session. That means you should listen carefully and repeat after me with the same pronunciation, rhythm, emotion, and energy. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to train your mouth, your ears, and your brain to think in English automatically. Speak clearly, speak confidently, and most importantly, speak out loud. All right, let's begin. Section 1. Starting the workday. Most successful professionals understand that the way you start your morning affects the rest of your day. When I arrive at work, I don't immediately rush into difficult tasks. First, I get settled in, organize my desk, grab a cup of coffee, and review my schedule. Then I start sorting through my inbox. Some emails are urgent, while others can wait until later. Prioritizing tasks early helps me stay calm and productive throughout the day. I also like to check my calendar carefully before starting any major work. That way, I know exactly what meetings, deadlines, and responsibilities I need to prepare for. A strong morning routine reduces stress, improves focus, and creates momentum for the rest of the day. Now, repeat after me. Shadowing practice. I need to get settled in before I start. I am sorting through my inbox to find urgent tasks. Let's prioritize these emails by importance. I usually check my calendar before starting work. I want to stay productive throughout the day. I need to organize my schedule more efficiently. I don't want to feel overwhelmed this morning. Having a morning routine helps me stay focused. I like to start my day with a clear plan. Today is going to be a productive day. Take a deep breath. Excellent job. Now let's continue. Section 2. Deep work and managing deadlines. As the day becomes busier, distractions begin to appear everywhere. Notifications, messages, meetings, and phone calls can interrupt concentration. That's why deep work is so important. Deep work means giving your full attention to one important task without distractions. When I need to concentrate, I silence my phone and turn off notifications. This helps me stay focused and complete tasks faster and with better quality. Sometimes I have to work under a tight deadline. In those moments, time management becomes extremely important. Large projects can feel stressful at first, but breaking them down into smaller steps makes everything easier and more manageable. Communication is also essential. I always try to keep my supervisor updated on my progress so there are no misunderstandings later. Now, let's practice together. Shadowing practice. I need to stay focused on this report. We are working under a very tight deadline. I am trying to avoid distractions right now. Can you help me break this project down? This task is more manageable now. I need to manage my time more effectively. I have a lot on my plate today. I need to give my supervisor a quick update. I am multitasking, but it's challenging. I work better when I focus on one task at a time. Let's finish this project before the deadline. Very good. Your pronunciation is getting stronger already. Section 3. Meetings, teamwork, and communication skills are essential in every career. During the workday, we often attend meetings, collaborate with teammates, and discuss new ideas. Sometimes we hop on a quick call just to touch base and make sure everyone is on the same page. In brainstorming sessions, every team member is encouraged to contribute ideas openly and confidently. But strong communication is not only about speaking clearly, it's also about active listening. Good professionals listen carefully, ask thoughtful questions, and respect other opinions. Building strong relationships with coworkers creates a healthier and more productive work environment. Networking is also important for long-term career growth. Meeting new people can open doors to exciting future opportunities. All right, repeat after me. Shadowing practice. Let's hop on a quick call to discuss this. I just wanted to touch base with you. Are we all on the same page? Does anyone want to contribute more ideas? That's actually a great suggestion. I completely agree with your point. Active listening is a very important skill. We need better communication within the team. I am attending a networking event this evening. Building professional relationships is very important. Teamwork makes difficult tasks easier. Fantastic work. Let's move to the next section. Section 4. Problem solving and professional mindset. Every career comes with challenges. Sometimes projects fail. Sometimes mistakes happen. And sometimes unexpected problems appear at the worst possible moment. The key is staying calm and solution-oriented. Instead of panicking, successful professionals focus on solving the problem step by step. Having a positive attitude during difficult situations shows professionalism, maturity, and leadership. I also believe that continuous learning is extremely important. Technology changes quickly, and professionals must continue improving their skills to stay competitive. Learning new software, improving communication skills, and practicing English regularly can create amazing opportunities in the future. Now, it's your turn. Shadowing practice. We need to find a solution quickly. I am trying to stay calm under pressure. Every problem has a solution. Mistakes help us learn and improve. I always try to maintain a positive attitude. I want to continue improving my skills. Learning never really stops. I enjoy challenging myself professionally. I am working on becoming more confident. Consistency is the key to success. Excellent. Keep going. You are doing great. Section 5. Wrapping up the day and career growth. At the end of the day, I like to review everything I accomplished. Before I wrap up for the day, I update my to-do list for tomorrow. This helps me start the next morning with a clear direction and less stress. Sometimes it's difficult to switch off from work mode, especially after a busy or stressful day. That's why maintaining a healthy work-life balance is important. Resting properly helps us return to work with more energy, creativity, and focus. When I think about my long-term career goals, I remind myself that success does not happen overnight. Small daily improvements create big results over time. Consistency, discipline, patience, and a strong mindset are the real secrets to professional growth. Now, repeat after me one final time. Shadowing practice. It's time to wrap up for the day. I need to update my to-do list for tomorrow. I accomplished a lot today. It's hard to switch off from work mode sometimes. I need a better work-life balance. I want to practice smarter, not harder. Small improvements lead to big results. I am focused on my long-term goals. Consistency is the key to career growth. I believe in continuous self-improvement. Amazing work. Final motivation and conclusion. Excellent job today. You have just practiced dozens of powerful English phrases related to work, productivity, communication, teamwork, and career development. Remember this. Fluency is built through repetition, consistency, and confidence. The more you repeat these phrases out loud, the more natural they will become. So listen to this lesson every day while driving, walking, exercising, studying, or commuting to work. Train your English like a professional athlete trains their muscles. And most importantly, never be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is part of the learning process. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to come back for the next episode of English Unleashed. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.